So we're here in the edible demonstration garden. This is a fantastic half-acre garden that is focused on edible crops that you can grow in Utah. And we try to grow unusual things, different varieties, things that you may not think are typical to the Utah gardening scene. So we will grow, this year we grew a watermelon that's called a red and gold watermelon with a beautiful yellow exterior and a bright red interior. We've grown cotton, we've grown soybeans, we've grown all kinds of different things in this garden. So this is a wonderful place to come and visit and see what different varieties you can grow. In addition to the vegetables, we also have small fruits. So you can come and you can sample some of the raspberries and blackberries, currants and gooseberries that do well in Utah. And behind the edible garden is an orchard. And that orchard showcases all of the different varieties of grapes, apples, stone fruits like peaches, pears, different kinds of plums that you can grow here in Utah as well. And you're welcome to come and walk through and see these wonderful trees, how they produce the colors and beautiful shapes of the fruit, and even taste a fruit here and there. And make sure that it's something that you want to incorporate in your garden before you actually purchase it. So this is a wonderful place to come and see all of those different varieties and what you can put in your own home garden.